Hey Glam Doll, so in this video I'll be using the NICKA K Liquid Radiant Eyeshadows that a Glam Doll gifted me, but the Hubs is going to do the voiceover for you dolls.
Yes, I will be. Looking real sexy in that red wig bag.
Thanks babe. I'm going to let him get started.
Hey Glam Doll, so today I'm just going to be attempting to show you guys exactly what my wife is doing, how she's applying the makeup on her eyes. Must comment on I love the nails though. So right now, what do you call this thing? This pop? What you call this, babe?
That is my MAC. Oh wait.
No, I don't need the name. Just what is it? Is it a concealer?
No, that's eyeshadow, babe.
Okay, so right now, Miss Glamag is putting her eyeshadow on
to separate the brow bone.
Let me do my own thing to separate the brow bone so you guys can see different pigmentation within the eyes. Right now, she's about to apply her liquid, what is this called?
Oh yeah, liquid eyeshadow. Which your Glam Doll gifted. Hey doll.
Okay. She tried about to put her liquid eyeshadow on. Notice that she put it on the brush and now she's patting it on over the eye, creating a two-tone contrast between the first thing she put on and now this liquid eyeshadow. Notice that she's using a particular type of brush to do that so that she can have more control over the eye. Okay.
Oh, that's a good point. Okay,
right, so
shade of brush.
Now she's applying, what's this called, babe?
That's the second color, still liquid eyeshadow.
All right, now she's applying the second liquid color eyeshadow.
On the inner tear duct.
On the inner tear, let me get it on my own. On the inner ducts to also highlight the eye. So this is how when guys look at a female, this brings us directly to the center of the eye. So I know when you guys apply your makeup, you're applying it in such a way that we're supposed to notice it. Or at least this is how I notice it myself. So right now, she is putting on, what is this called here?
My foundation.
Right now, she's applying her foundation throughout her whole face, attempting to get one solid color. And what I know about Glam normally has this ability to find the darkest spot on her neck so that she can apply the makeup so she can have an even complexion. Because I noticed some girls, and y'all look all right too, but there's a different face color and then the neck color on, and then that lets us know right now you caked up. You got makeup on. The idea, wait. The idea is to not be, it's nice to have on makeup, but we're not supposed to easily tell. We're supposed to let that be part of your natural beauty. So right now we are taking this concealer. What is this thing called?
Cream concealer. Oh, the beauty blender.
The beauty blender, and we're putting that foundation on. We're just gently blending it in. Right now, I don't know what she's doing actually right here.
Liquid highlighted.
Okay, so this is a highlighter. So right now she's getting ready to go ahead and contour the cheekbones with the blender brush. Right? That's a blender?
That's a blender, but I'm not contouring, I'm highlighting.
Oh, highlighting. Okay.
See the highlight right there?
Yeah, but isn't the match between the highlight and the foundation creates the contour or the shadow?
Oh, yeah, because I had already did the contour.
Right, so let me go with them. All right. So as of right now, what you should be able to tell with Glam, as much as y'all watch her, you'll normally see the shade in her face matches in the inside of the scalp as well as the neck. And right now she's putting on this red lipstick. I don't know the name of that lipstick. LA Colors. And she's already admitting that she's obsessed with them. And now she's putting on this moisturizer,
face setting spray
to lock in the moisture and stuff like this. So right now, this concludes the video. You guys have a good day. Don't forget to follow me also on youtube.com/BentleyRev. Bentley is BENTLEYREV. That's Bentley Rev. And we're gonna see you all in another video again
shortly.
Later dolls.